As an applicant, you will access the system via the logon page. The foundation may have provided you with a link to this page, or it may be hyperlinked on the foundation's website. If you've already created an account, you may enter your email and password and log right in. Otherwise, you'll want to click on the Create New Account button. If at any time after creating an account you cannot remember your password, you may click on the Forgot Your Password button. Enter your email address and you will be sent a link to reset your password. Let's walk through creating a new account. Creating an account is a multi-step process, with the first section collecting organization information. After all the organization information has been entered, scroll down and click Next. Keeping in mind that every foundation's registration may be slightly different, so note the asterisks next to each field indicating required information. The next section is your user information. It is very important to note the email/username field, as it becomes your username in the system. Once the user information fields are complete, click Next. Keep in mind that if you need to navigate back to a previous section, you must use the Previous button. This will keep all the information in the previous fields intact. If you attempt to navigate to the previous section by using the browser's Back button, you will lose all the information that you've already entered. In the next section, you indicate if you are the organization's executive officer. If you are, click Yes, and you are taken to a section of optional fields that includes just some additional information to provide. If you are not the organization's executive officer, click No. And when you click Next, you will need to provide the executive officer's information. Once the executive officer's information is entered, click Next, where you finally arrive at creating a password. Please note the password requirements at the top of this section. Once the password is created, click the Create Account button. On the next page, confirm that you are receiving emails from the system. Follow the on-screen instructions and click Continue to finish the registration process. Now you have an account in the system, and remember, this is the account that you will use for both present and future applications.